I got this building car thing. And this is the back. This is the side. This is the bottom. That's the top. This is the other side. And the top has the barcode. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna snap my fingers, and then these are all gonna open. So it all opened. And I'm gonna start painting the top and then here. Hey cousin, could you?
Uh-oh. You got it?
Yeah, I got it on me. And my thing.
We'll wipe it later.
My chair. So, is it okay if I get my hands?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That is super.
Oh my goodness.
That's the normal babies.
Don't do the other side because you're not going to see it.
Okay.
And that way you can lay it down on the table. There.
So that is super. So I can keep painting. Okay. I am definitely using the one color. There. And then with this. Well, you have to red. Like that. And then paint. Nice. One more wheel to go. Okay, some blue over here.
Hmm. That's a very pretty blue.
Here. Now, and there. It's making it kind of bluish.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I really wanted to get to the colors because that means I'm trying to make a different color like green.
Mm-hmm. So you're kind of mixing the colors?
Yeah, I really like. This is hey cousin.
Hmm?
This is fast drying blue. I mean, all these colors.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, all the paint is fast drying ones.
Oh, good. Is that one supposed to be upside down on the paper, the wheel?
Oh no, that is not even possible. Okay.
Does it look okay?
Yeah, I want it blue instead.
Okay.
Okay, that's gonna be more like. Okay, so like that. Now, for some red. There. I'm gonna go to red, just so you know, cousin. I'm gonna go to red.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Fine. Always. I still want to paint that side too. But that's the most awesome. Okay, I'm gonna paint this part. I'm not gonna paint this part because this part's gonna get covered.
Okay.
I'm done. I painted both of the sides and the front. Not yet. It's not done. It is done. Completely done. What a mess. I'm gonna snap my fingers and then it's gonna be all cleaned up. Wow, it's so clean. I'm gonna start building. This side, now this. I'm done. Hi, I am gonna build my thing now. Now grab a little bit of glue and put it right in. Now do that. There. Now take that out and put it there.
I guess.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Now I'm gonna put this on here. Oh, just so you know, we got this from Amazon. Oh, I'm gonna grab some more glue. Grab this, put it on here like that. This. Now, hi. I'm gonna do this. Let's grab glue. No. I got some stickers. This one and this one. And I'm gonna do this one. So I'm gonna put the lid on. And then I'm gonna take some stickers.
Do you need to glue the cap on?
Yeah. I'm gonna glue the cap on. So grab the stick. And then
Get out.
now I'm gonna put on some stickers. It does look neat. I am putting on some stickers, some windows. Now you'll see this one right here. Now I'm gonna... This sticker here.
Let's go there in the back.
Oh, that's the front. That's the back. And I see a sticker.
Cool. It's got flames.
This way I picked it. I'm almost done, Kazan. Where does this one go? Because there's 2 of these. Oh, these are the doors.
Oh. I don't know how you fit doors on.
Did you know these ones can rip very easily?
Mm-hmm.
I'm probably not gonna put on the west, but I am gonna put on that is upside down. I just put that up, almost put that up on the upside down. I'm done.
Hold it up to the camera and show the different sides. Was it fun? And then do you want to say your goodbyes?
Bye. Just so you know, this is on Draken's vlog. Bye.